Hello friends, welcome to today's video, Mindful Art Journaling. It does not require much art skills and you can be as arty or non-arty as you please. It is your journal. Here are some examples of journal styles and pages. Some are mindful, some are travel journals, and some are still being explored. There are great ways to explore your subconscious and allow yourself to explore what images and texts you are drawn to. Start by collecting some old magazines. Also, get a notebook and to do some mindful journal on so that you can put your images and do this page in there. You might need some other things as well, like paints or washi tape, glue, markers, whatever you have at home is fine. Start by getting some random text pages from one of your magazines. When you see a word or words your eye is drawn to, just cut them out and put them aside. Don't overthink it, just trust the process. Once you have picked what you feel is enough words, like I said, put them aside and leave them there till later. Then, without thinking about the words you've just picked, look at your images and see in your magazines which images you're attracted to. You can also pick pieces of coloured paper. As you can see, I've picked some brown paper here. You should have now a collection of random bits of images and papers and some random words. Start to play with the layout in your notebook. See which way you like to put the images, what is satisfying to your eye. Sometimes you might just want to work with the words for one moment, and sometimes you might want to work with the images. Just work with what you are drawn to. This is a time to develop our intuition and trust our intuition. There may be moments when you think this is not coming together. There are many moments, even when I was doing this video, when I was wondered if my journal would come together, but keep working with it. It will come together. Just relax. Once you have found a layout you're happy with, take a picture of it and keep it aside in your phone. You will need this to refer to once you take everything apart to glue it down. Then start gluing down the different parts. Start with the bottom layer. Remember to listen to some music or whatever makes you happy. This is a little time for you to be creative and mindful. A time for you to relax. You can see I'm using my picture to refer to when I'm putting the image back together. Once everything is glued down, cut away any excess paper or anything that's making your paper or notebook look messy. Then look at your sentence. If you see that there is a word or words missing, please fill it in. You may not have a sentence and you may just be happy to have words, and that is fine also. At this point, you can stop there or you can draw some things onto your page. You can see in this one that I have drawn some extra things onto the page. This is also a time when you can use some brush strokes or markers, whatever you're drawn to, whatever you just feel like doing. In the end, this is a page and an exercise for you, and even if it doesn't come out exactly as you planned, it's still going to be wonderful whatever way it does come out. So once you look at your page and you feel like it's complete and you're happy with it, then the exercise is complete. If anybody has completed this exercise, please tag me on my Instagram page, hashtag Carol_O'Loughlin_artist. So your mindful journal should be complete. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you find it useful. Please leave any sentences that you have wrote below in the comments. I would love to read them. That's all for today. Thanks again for watching and stay safe and healthy. Happy being creative. Bye for now. Bye.